You are most welcome to the language class. Today we are starting comprehension from the comprehension book, chapter 5, Androceles and the Lion, page number 23. Androceles was a slave. Slave means those who works for someone else. Okay. His master was very bad. He beat him and made him work day and night. Androceles ran away into the desert. He ran and ran and he ran. The sand and the stones hurt his feet. He was very tired. He went to sleep in a cave. Suddenly he heard a lion roaring. He was afraid. So Androceles was a man who was a slave. His master, that means for whom he works, that master was very bad. He used to beat him and work him day and night. So Androceles ran away into a desert, and after running a long way, he became tired and he fell asleep in a cave. And there he heard a lion's roaring. Then he saw the lion. It came near him and roared again. Androceles was very afraid. The lion held up its paw and roared loudly. Androceles looked at the lion's paw. A thorn was stuck in it. Androceles gently pulled out the thorn. So, paw means the feet of the lion. Okay, and thorn means the things that is the sharp thing we see in the rose plant, the sharp thing that we pickles in our hand. Okay, that picks in our hand, that is called thorn. Okay, the lion licked his paw. After some time, after some days, some men came to the desert and caught Androceles. They took him back to the town. They put him in a cage. There was a lion in the cage. It roared loudly. Androceles was afraid. The lion came and licked his face. It was his friend, the lion from the desert. Androceles and the lion sat down together in the cage. All the people saw this. They shouted, "Set Androceles free. He is a good man. Even the lion is his friend." So, what happened? Uh, Again, the lion came nearer to the Androceles in the cave and roared again. Androceles got afraid, and then the lion put his paw in front of Androceles. Androceles saw that there was a thorn and he pulled it out, and the lion licked his face. Whose face? Androceles' face, yes. After some days, some men came and caught Androceles and they took them to the town. They put Androceles in a cage, and there was a cage. In the cage, there was a lion. Androceles got afraid, but the lion came to him and licked his face. So the people saw, the people around the cage saw, and they shouted that free the lion and the Androceles, because Androceles is a good person. Okay, here are the meanings you will read. You have to do the tick the correct answer by yourself. These things you will do by yourselves. Answer the following questions, true and false, and these things you will do next. Go to page number 26. Write a few sentences about animal that you are sure to find in a forest. That means you have to write about an animal that lives in forest. That means an wild animal. You can write anything about a tiger or a lion, bear, any. You have to write 3 sentences over there. Okay, at least 3 sentences. And now complete the following sentence about the picture. This is a picture composition. This is a picture composition. You have to see the picture, then you have to write few sentences. This will come in the exam, picture composition. Now in this part, see, there are some words given over there, some sentences are given over there and words were given over there. You have to write it like this, but in exam you will get only the picture and you have to make the sentences by yourself. So do this one carefully. Picture composition is very important. It will come in half yearly, not in unit. Okay, in unit exam it will not come. So be careful and do this. An elephant is a big dash. Here are picture words are given, you will write from there. I will not help you in this, because all these things in grammar, comprehension, picture composition, anything will not come from the book, not from the grammar book, not from the topics will be same. That means if I am giving you this is elephant's picture, I will give you a tiger's picture. You have to write by yourself. So be careful and write it. Okay, so till the next class, goodbye, have a nice time.